This is a small coastal village called Gouritsmond on the Garden Route, situated 43 kilometers from Mossel Bay and just about 80 kilometers from George Airport. Gouritsmond features on the top 10 coastal towns in the Garden Route that still offers value for money. The property is less than 100 meters from the main beach with a green belt in front of it. The ground floor features a living dining area that's open, a kitchen, very large scullery, and one ensuite bedroom. The first floor features a large entertainment area that with minimal effort can be changed by adding a breakfast nook so that this can operate as a separate unit than the bottom one. It also has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, each of the bathrooms featuring a toilet and a shower. Both the rooms have sliding doors that opens up to the stoep outside with a beautiful view on the green belt. If you enjoyed this video, please take the time to like, share and subscribe. Access to the roof is from the stoep with beautiful views on the ocean around you, the town at the back. This is the perfect spot in summer. The property is off the grid and the solar panel battery as well as the inverter are included in the price.